All right, so for A, they want the volume. Can we remember the formula of the volume there? It's a third times the area of the base. What type of base do we have? It's a square base. So how do we find the area of a square? Side squared, right? Multiplied by the height of the pyramid. Guys, do we have those values that we need? Do we have the side length of the base? Can someone confirm or deny, please? Do we have the side length of the square there? Yes. And do we have the perpendicular height of the pyramid? Yes, it's 24. All right, so we don't need to calculate anything before we can do this. So we can just say a third times 20 squared times the height, which is 24. Let's quickly work that out. All right, 3,200. And its volume, so it's going to be centimeters cubed. All right, now, so guys, volume is not really difficult for a pyramid. Okay, you just apply the formula. And if you had to maybe calculate that perpendicular height, you could do that using Pythagoras. Okay, how would I do that, guys, if they didn't give me the 24 centimeters? The slant height, that is the hypotenuse of that triangle. I'm looking at this triangle over here, right? That would be the right angle triangle that I would use to, or that I would work with Pythagoras. Okay, so I would say that that's 26. I'm saying now if they didn't give us the 24, what would this length be here at the bottom? 10. Okay, because the whole side is 20. That line is going to the center of the square, so that would be 10. Okay, just wanted to make sure you would be able to do that. That's fine. Okay, total surface area, so TSA. Okay, I'm going to write the formula down, but you don't really have to, all right? But I am just going to. We're going to find the area of the base. Since it's a square, I'm going to write side squared. Plus, now guys, it's a square-based prism, so all four of my sides, the triangles, are going to be the same. All right, so 4 times, how do you find the area of a triangle? Half base times height. But now, guys, can I use h if I'm writing the formula? Remember when I used an h up here, that was the height of the pyramid. Is that also the height of the triangular face? No. What letter did they use on this picture to represent the height? Yeah.
I was going to ask a question.
Okay, just hang on. What letter is this one here? It looks like an L, actually. I don't know. Let me zoom in there. It's very blurry, but that looks like a cursive L. All right, so that is what they've used. So let's use that same letter there. Yes, Olivia?
So now, if you got a rectangular pyramid, would you have to say 2?
Two
and the
times.
2 would have the same base.
Yes.
And then the other 2.
Plus another 2. Yes, correct. And you would say LB for your area then. All right, now we can start subbing these values in. Again, the side length of the square of that base is 20 plus... Now, guys, what's 4 times a half? 2. That is 2, hey? It's not a trick question. 4 times a half is 2. So we can actually just, for the next calculation, we can write 2 times the base of the triangle, which is what? What is the length of the base of my triangles? Look at that triangle. What's the base there? 20. And the perpendicular height of the triangle, the slant height of the pyramid, is 26. Again, you might have to calculate that using Pythagoras at some point if it wasn't given. All right, what is this value? Let's see. 1,440 centimeters squared. Okay, any questions, guys?